Cats are small, carnivorous mammals known for their independent and mysterious nature. They come in various breeds, sizes, and colors, ranging from the elegant Siamese to the fluffy Persian. Cats are cherished as beloved pets in many households around the world. Cats are known for their ability to leap, pounce, and climb effortlessly, showcasing their natural athletic prowess. Cats are generally characterized by their soft fur, often requiring grooming and shedding. They exhibit affection in their own unique ways, such as rubbing against legs, purring, or kneading with their paws. They enjoy chasing toys, exploring their surroundings, and engaging in interactive play with their owners. However, they also value their alone time and appreciate a quiet and cozy spot where they can retreat to recharge. Overall, cats are fascinating creatures, combining grace, independence, and a touch of mystery.